But as one of those heroes, Congressman John Lewis, reminded us in Selma this past March, there is still work to be done. 50 years after the Voting Rights Act, there's still too many barriers to vote and too many people trying to erect new ones.
Whether by challenging those who erect new barriers to the vote or ensuring that the scales of justice work equally for all and the criminal justice system is not simply a pipeline from underfunded schools to overcrowded jails, it requires vigilance. And like America's founding fathers, he would erect a constitutional order to preserve freedom for future generations, a commitment to democracy and rule of law, ratified not only by his election, but by his willingness to step down from power after only one term. There are too many people trying to erect new barriers to voting. This is the only...
When it comes to trade, I believe that the answer is not to pull back or try to erect barriers to trade,